Setting up the lift tool assembly. To set up the lift tool assembly, you will need the following items: Genie GL8 lift tool and foot release brake included in the Genie Lift GL8 option kit. The foot release brake should be attached to the lift tool. Lift tool fixture included in the GL8 kit for N1380 and SC systems. The illustration now shown might differ slightly from your hardware, but the installation method is the same. Push down the foot pedal to lock the lift tool wheel brake. If necessary, remove the load platform from the lift tool. Note: when the load platform or the lift tool fixture is not in use, store it in the rotate fixture cart. There are 4 hooks on the back of the lift tool fixture. Align the hooks with the parallel bars on the lift tool, and lock the hooks to the bars to secure the lift tool fixture onto the lift tool. The fixture is properly secured if the parallel bars are visible through the hook openings and the base is sitting on the fork.